Hi, good morning. This is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And last episode, we have discussed about introduction to machine learning. That comes under the artificial intelligence and machine learning video lecture series. So today, we are going to discuss about the next topic in the first unit. That is the fundamentals of machine learning. So the topic name is types of machine learning. Come, let's dive into the topic. So already we have discussed about the machine learning and why it is important. Everything we have discussed in the previous episode. So now we are going to discuss about the types of machine learning. So based on the methods and the way of learning, machine learning is divided into mainly four types, which are supervised machine learning, then unsupervised machine learning, semi-supervised machine learning, and reinforcement learning. So these are all the four types of machine learning. So let us see each types one by one. So let us start. So I will give you some overview about each type. So first thing, supervised learning. The supervised learning, the example is price prediction, housing price prediction, and medical imaging. Unsupervised learning is customer segmentation and market basket analysis. Then semi-supervised learning, text classification, lane finding on GPS data. Reinforcement learning, optimized marketing, and driving course. So these are all these some actually some overview about each types of machine learning, so that you can able to understand easily. So let us see each one by one in detailed manner. So the first thing is supervised machine learning. So as its name suggests, supervised machine learning is based on supervision. In supervised learning technique, we train the machines using the labeled data sets. That's a very, very important term, labeled. So when you're writing, when the questions is asked in the topic of supervised machine learning, like what is supervised machine learning, you have to mention the labeled data set. And based on the training, the machine predicts the output. The label data specifies that some of the input are already mapped to the output. More precisely, we can say first we train the machine with the input and corresponding output. Then we ask the machine to predict the output based on the input test data. So this is actually a supervised machine learning. So here, this is the supervised machine learning working model. So here we have labeled data is there, and here it's a labels. So labeled data, we have rectangular, circular, triangle, hexagon is there. So we will be labeling for each shape, and machine will learn if it is round in shape. That machine will understand that this is a circle. Okay, so likewise it will learn. So we will be labeling the each data so that the machine can easily understand, easily learn. So on the machine learning ML model, we will be giving the test data. We will be giving some data. So and asking the machine learning model to predict what kind of a data is there. So based on the input that already we trained the machine, it will predict whether it is a triangle, or whether it is a circle, or whether it is a square, like which it will predict. So this is the overview of supervised machine learning working principle. So let us see one example. Here we have so many fruits are there: apple, orange, and orange with some pieces, and apple again orange. So apple, here we have two apples and three oranges are there. So even it is in full orange is there, and also partially the cut but the partial apple is also there. So but anyhow, everything is in apple category only. So we will be giving it we will giving this labeled data set to train the model. So according to that, if you give the test data apple and orange, it will easily find out it is an apple and it is an orange, like that. So this is called a supervised machine learning. And when we are categorizing the supervised machine learning, there are two categories. One is a classification, and another one is a regression. Classification algorithm are used to solve the classification problems in which the output variable is categorical, such as yes or no, male or female, red or blue, etc. The classification algorithm predicts the categories present in the data set. Some real world examples of classification algorithms are spam detection, email filtering, email spam, like that. So let's have one activity. So find the unknown number after the number 7. So you have some hidden logic is there. Find the logic, discuss with your group members, and find the unknown number. And so there are some algorithms which are used in the classification algorithms are random forest algorithm, decision tree algorithm, logistic regression algorithm, support vector machine algorithm. So the next thing is regression. So regression is the next type of supervised algorithm, supervised learning machine learning method. So regression algorithm are used to solve regression problems in which there is a linear relationship between input and output variables. So this is actually a regression. So some popular regression algorithms are given below. That is the simple linear regression algorithm, multivariate regression algorithm, decision tree algorithm, lasso regression. And when it comes to the advantage and disadvantage of regression algorithms, since supervised learning work with a labeled data set, so we can have an exact idea about the classes of objects. These algorithms are helpful in predicting the output on the basis of prior experience. And coming to the drawbacks, these algorithms are not able to solve complex tasks, and it may predict wrong output if the test data is different from the training data, and it requires a lot of computational time to train the algorithm. So these are all the drawbacks of supervised algorithm. And let's have an assessment. So the first question is classify the types of machine learning and give few real-time examples of supervised learning and overview the techniques behind the email filtering. List some most popular algorithms of supervised learning. List out the advantages and disadvantages of supervised learning. Thank you.